Hey there, it's Erica, and today I'm going to show you how to make my sourdough Dutch baby. This is probably the easiest sourdough recipe you'll ever make, and it's also a delicious breakfast treat. Okay, let me show you how to make it.
Here's everything you'll need. 6 large eggs, 2/3 cup of frozen wild blueberries.
You can experiment with other fresh fruits such as raspberries, pears, peaches, etc. Or you can go a savory route and use toppings such as sausage, bacon, cheese, mushrooms, etc.
320 grams of sourdough starter. This can be either an active starter or a sourdough discard. Half a teaspoon of unrefined sea salt, 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of whole milk, and 6 tablespoons of salted butter. Start by preheating the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and placing the butter in 2 oven-safe skillets.
You can either bake this in 2 8 to 10 inch oven-safe skillets or one 13 by 9 inch pan.
Slide into the preheating oven to melt. Do not forget about it or it will burn. In a blender pitcher, place the remaining ingredients minus the frozen blueberries. At this point, the butter has probably melted, so take that out. Blend the batter for 1 minute or until well combined. Pour over the melted butter in the skillet. Sprinkle the blueberries on top. Return to the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the edges are deep golden brown and the pancake is puffed up.
Serve with maple syrup or a dusting of powdered sugar. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to check out this video next for another delicious sourdough breakfast treat.